Alright, so in this tutorial I will show you what AFSExplorer is and how to model swap. So to get started, let's open up AFSExplorer so you can see what it is. So here you can see right here it's AFSExplorer, all this. Anyway, so what this does is you can swap in models, texture files depending on what you're modding, and sound files. So today we will be modding Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta over Piccolo as a model swap, for example. So what you will need is your extracted version of Budokai 3. We're going to go into USR. You're going to want the data CMN, and you're going to put that into the AFSExplorer. Alright, so when you open this, the first thing you will notice is it's going to say unnamed 0 all the way to 3,989. Now, obviously none of this is labeled, and we have to figure out what is what. So this is where you will need the Budokai bin list, which was luckily made by other people within the Discord server. Now what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down and we're going to find Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta, which, alright, he is located in bin 218. So what we do is we're going to open up AFS, scroll down to 218, oh, a little too far, there he is. You're going to right click, export it. I'm going to just throw it on the desktop since we're doing a tutorial. Here he is right here. Budokai bin list, open it back up, and we're going to throw him over Piccolo. So you're going to scroll down. Piccolo is at 350. So open AFS back up, scroll down to 350. Now you'll realize there's two numbers. You have your length, your back size, and the date it was edited. Now in the length is how long the file is. The max size is how much that bin can hold. If you go back to where Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta was, you can realize it was 107 bytes. Well, you're going to import. If it tells you that it exceeds the available reserve space, you always want to hit no because this rebuilds the AFS and breaks it. So you're going to hit no. If it ever asks you, do you want to set a new reserve space? If you want to set a new one, this is when you hit yes. And then it'll tell you it couldn't do this, so you just press OK. Now, because obviously he's too big, you're going to want to press this hammer up here. Now what this does is this will extend his reserve space. It'll tell you the size difference that's already been expended. You hit regenerate, and then we're going to name this data underscore cmn.afs and just save that to your desktop. Okay, so you're going to close all this out. You're going to open your folders. You're going to go back to USR. And you're going to delete the original. We're going to drag the new one, put it in there, and I'm going to open this. We're going to go back to Piccolo, which was at 350 if you remember. And as you can see, his max size has been expanded. So we're going to import, and there he is. So now we're going to open up image burn, and we're going to create image file from all this. Okay, let's go ahead and test out that mod we just did. And as you can see, we have successfully put Super Saiyan 4 Gogeta over Piccolo.